Don't be alarmed if money starts showing up for you right after you finish this video. If you're planning to watch it, please settle yourself somewhere quiet, all right? And just focus completely on what I'm about to tell you. Because today, I'm going to share a set of affirmations that completely changed my life when it comes to attracting money. And here's the thing. It's very possible that before this video even ends, you might begin noticing some kind of signal. I'm saying this because it genuinely happened to me. It feels like magic, but it's not magic. It's the science of energy. Please find a calm spot, and if you can, put on headphones so you can really connect. A lot of viewers have told me that while they're watching, they suddenly start receiving unexpected messages about money. One person gets a phone call that brings an opportunity. Another gets ideas worth thousands of dollars. One viewer got a $3,000 tax refund, yes, during the video. Someone else received a job offer with twice their current salary. The principles I'm about to share with you work every single time if you apply them correctly. All you have to do right now is stay present and deeply absorb what I'm saying. Your financial transformation is going to start in just a few minutes. Believe me, okay? So put distractions aside, mute your phone. I need to share one profound truth with you. You were never meant to live with money struggles. You were just conditioned that way. And that difference changes everything. Destiny is fixed and unchangeable, but conditioning can be rewritten in an instant. Your current financial situation wasn't written in the stars. It wasn't your fate. It was programmed into your subconscious mind during your first 7 years of life, from what you heard about money from your parents, your neighbors, your own early experiences. That old programming is still running quietly in the background, and from it, all your financial experiences are born. Think back. Did you hear things like, money doesn't grow on trees, rich people are selfish, we can't afford that? Those weren't just words, they became your subconscious operating system. But here's the incredible part. Over the next few minutes, we're going to override that old system. We're going to implant new beliefs so powerful that the quantum field, what spiritual traditions call the divine matrix, will immediately start rearranging situations and opportunities to match your new energy. This isn't fantasy. Quantum physics has proven that observation, awareness, alters reality at the atomic level. Your consciousness literally shapes your world, including your financial world. Now, let me share something that most wealth teachers never talk about. The opposite of attraction is distraction. That's the hidden key to manifestation. Wherever your attention goes, your energy flows, and that thing grows in your life. Life is simply a game of attention. Most people waste their energy on problems, worries, and random distractions. They want to prove to the world that they'll become successful, that abundance actually works. But the real truth is, you only have to convince yourself. What you need is focused energy, obsessive attention on a single goal. For the next few minutes, I want you to place your full attention on the belief that you are already wealthy. Think it, embed it in your mind. Yes, everything is already there. You are wealthy. Don't think about your bills. Don't think about your current bank balance. Don't think about past failures. Those are all distractions that keep you chained to your old reality. Now, we're going to use a set of affirmations that have been scientifically designed to speak directly to your subconscious mind. That's where your financial blueprint is hidden, and today we're going to reprogram it. These aren't random positive phrases. Each affirmation has been developed through years of research to perfectly match your vibration to the frequency of abundance. If you repeat these affirmations with genuine emotion and belief, they change both your electromagnetic field around you and your subconscious mind. Neuroscience tells us that repetition creates new neural pathways. These affirmations build a new wealth mindset that gradually becomes your default way of thinking. People who naturally attract money think differently, and we're going to install that same thinking into you. All right, Now close your eyes. Listen to me. Do exactly as I say. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Feel yourself becoming completely centered and present. Good. Now I'm going to speak some powerful money affirmations. I don't want you just to hear them. I want you to feel them as if they're truly happening in your life right now. Visualize them, imagine them, feel them as if they're unfolding at this very moment. Your wealth has already begun. Ready? I am completely financially free and the owner of infinite wealth. Money flows to me steadily from many different channels. My bank account grows effortlessly every single day. I deserve unlimited abundance and I receive it right now. I am a powerful money magnet. My energy is perfectly aligned with infinite wealth. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I effortlessly receive as much wealth as I desire. I am deeply grateful for the abundance that is already mine. I receive an infinite amount of money every single day. I do what I love and earn substantial income from it. My wealth gives me the freedom to live on my own terms. Financial freedom is my birthright. My income multiplies effortlessly. The money I circulate returns to me multiplied. I constantly receive million-dollar insights and ideas. Everything I touch turns to gold. My mindset is that of a wealthy person. I always receive more than I need. A large sum of money is coming to me right now. I am successful in every financial endeavor. Wealth flows to me like a mighty river. I am manifesting a life filled with luxury and abundance. The universe supports me with infinite resources. Every day I receive unexpected money. My multiple income streams keep growing. Creating wealth is natural and easy for me. My abundance allows me to help others as well. Now, slowly open your eyes. See what you just experienced, something incredibly powerful. You just focused completely on abundance. You temporarily shut out the external world of limitations. This is exactly what the wealthiest people on the planet do. They live mentally in their abundance, and then it physically manifests. What you just did is working on multiple levels. On a neurological level, your brain's wealth circuitry has started rewiring. On a quantum level, your frequency has matched prosperity. On a spiritual level, you have aligned yourself with the infinite abundance of the universe. Look at how many levels just shifted. Ancient wisdom and modern quantum physics both say the same thing. What you focus on inside manifests outside. The kingdom is within, and everything else is just a reflection. This isn't spiritual poetry. This is the operating system of reality. You just felt abundance inside your mind, and universal law never fails. The universe responds to your vibration, not to your current situation. Your bank account may not have changed yet, but your energy has shifted, and that energy determines your financial future. The universe always works with a time delay. First, the energetic shift happens, then the physical manifestation follows. Just like planting a seed, you don't see fruit immediately, but the result is certain. What happens next might surprise you. Stay alert. Watch the science of this shift. You might receive an unexpected check, a surprise call, or an opportunity. Just keep believing. Stay in gratitude. Keep your mind open to receive. A new, rich, and beautiful financial reality is being prepared for you. You are completely worthy of it, and the universe is on your side. In the comments, definitely write, "The universe is on my side." Thank you, universe.
Now, I want you to understand this deeply. The reason these affirmations work isn't because of wishful thinking. It's because your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. When you close your eyes and feel the emotions of already having wealth, your brain fires the same neural networks as if you actually had that money. Over time, those networks become your new default. You stop looking for lack and start noticing opportunities. This is the science of reticular activation. Your brain's reticular activating system filters what you see in the world based on what you believe is important. If you believe you're poor, your brain will show you all the evidence of scarcity. If you reprogram it to believe you're wealthy, your brain will start pointing out every chance to earn, save, invest, and grow. That's why people who do these exercises suddenly get calls, ideas, or offers. They've always been there, but your old filter blocked them. Now the filter has changed. Let me give you a real example from my own life. A few years ago, I was exactly where you might be now. Living paycheck to paycheck, dreading bill collectors, feeling that sinking feeling every time I checked my account. I tried working harder, longer hours. Nothing changed. Then I discovered this principle, not from a guru, but from studying quantum physics, neuroscience, and the habits of self-made millionaires. I started doing these affirmations every single day, not as a chant, but as a deep emotional practice. The first week, nothing happened. The second week, I got a small refund check I had forgotten about, only $50, but I celebrated it. I said, "Thank you, universe. This is just the beginning." The third week, an old friend called me about a freelance project that paid $2,000. Within 3 months, I had replaced my entire day job income. That was 5 years ago. Today, I run a multiple six-figure business from my laptop, and it all started with closing my eyes and feeling wealthy even when my bank account said otherwise. So when I tell you this works, I'm not guessing. I'm speaking from lived, proven experience. Now, you might be thinking, but what about my debt? What about my responsibilities? I can't just pretend. I understand. But consider this. The feeling of desperation and lack is exactly what keeps you stuck. When you act and feel from a place of scarcity, you make fearful decisions. You avoid risks that could pay off. You stay in jobs that underpay you. You say no to investments because you're afraid to lose. That energy repels money. Wealth loves confidence, clarity, and calm. By doing these affirmations, you're not lying to yourself. You're shifting from a state of reaction to a state of creation. You're telling your subconscious, I am no longer that old version of me. I am someone who attracts abundance. And your subconscious will move heaven and earth to make it true. Some people worry that this is selfish. Let me clear that up right now. The more wealth you create, the more you can help others. You can't donate if you have nothing. You can't create jobs if you're broke. You can't support your family, your community, or your favorite causes without money. Money is just energy, a tool. And when you have plenty, you become a source of good in the world. So don't feel guilty about wanting to be rich. Feel responsible. The universe wants you to thrive. I also want to address the skeptics. I was a skeptic too. I thought this was all fluffy nonsense until I tried it with an open mind. The science is real. Neuroplasticity, the observer effect in quantum mechanics, the law of cause and effect. You don't have to believe me. Just try it for 30 days. Do these affirmations every morning and every night for 5 minutes. Feel the emotions as if you already have the life you want. Then watch what happens. The worst case scenario, you waste a few minutes a day feeling good. The best case is you completely transform your financial reality. The risk is almost zero and the potential reward is infinite. Now, let me give you a few practical tips to supercharge this process. First, always say the affirmations in the present tense, as if it's already happening. I am rich, not I will be rich. Your subconscious only understands now. Second, engage your emotions. Don't just robotically repeat words. Feel the joy, the relief, the excitement of having money. Third, take inspired action. Affirmations aren't a substitute for work. They align your energy so you notice and act on opportunities. When you get an idea to call someone, start a project, or learn a new skill, do it. That's the universe talking to you. Fourth, surround yourself with abundance. Clean your space, play uplifting music, and avoid people who constantly complain about money. Their energy will pull you down. Fifth, give. Even if it's $1, a kind word, or your time, giving breaks the scarcity mindset and tells the universe you trust there's more where that came from. And finally, be patient. The universe has its own timing. Sometimes the shift is instant, sometimes it takes weeks, but it always comes when you stay consistent and faithful. One more thing, don't compare your progress to anyone else. Your journey is unique.
The person who gets a $3,000 refund might be at a different stage than the person who gets a $1 million idea. Trust that what's coming to you is exactly what you need right now. Also, keep a journal. Write down every small win, every unexpected dollar, every coincidence. Over time, you'll see a pattern. You'll realize that the universe is constantly sending you signs and gifts, but you were too focused on lack to notice. This practice trains you to see the abundance that's already there. Now, before we go, I want you to take one more deep breath. Close your eyes again for just 10 seconds. Silently say to yourself, I am ready to receive. I am worthy of all the good that is coming. Thank you, universe, for my financial freedom. Open your eyes. You are now different. The seed has been planted. Water it with daily practice, and soon you'll see the harvest. Remember, you weren't born to struggle. You were programmed that way. And any program can be rewritten. You are the programmer. So go ahead, rewrite it. Start today. Start now. And when the money starts showing up, and it will, don't panic. Just smile and say, I told you so. Then share this video with someone who needs to hear it. That's how we raise the collective vibration. That's how we all get rich together. If you're ready to commit to your wealth journey, comment below. I am a money magnet. Thank you, universe. Let me see your commitment, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll go even deeper into the practical steps of building multiple income streams. Until then, stay abundant, stay grateful, and remember, you've got this. Like, share, and subscribe for more transformations.